Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? It's your girl, Natural Hair is Key, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you this bomb lazy girl tricolor braidless crochet. So if you feeling the vibe just as much as me, hey, let's get right into it. Here we have some homemade hair grease, and basically I got this from a friend, and I'm basically just trying it out. And we all know moisture is key, and y'all know I cannot afford for any of my strands to be breaking off. A girl worked hard for these strands, let me tell you. And I wanted to show you guys that I was not capping when I said that I oil my rubber bands. Yes, I oil my rubber bands every time I use them because I do not want any extra tension on my hair. For our crochet base, it is basically just 4 sections at the top. Those are rubber banded. Then I banded those, and now I'm connecting those to the last ponytail, which is going to become a bun. And here is our beautiful 8-inch spring twist tricolor crochet hair, which is 1B, number 4, and number 30. I love this hair. This hair is gorgeous. Okay, so what you want to start doing is crocheting the hair around the bun. I first thought my bun was too poofy, but as I continued to crochet, it wasn't. It was perfectly fine. I end up going through the bun, which I'm going to show you here shortly. And that also helps take away from noticing the bun in the back. And I will show you once it is completely full. But I also want to touch on why I called it the lazy girl crochet. Basically, that's because sometimes we get into a mood where we just don't want to do our hair for a long period of time. And basically that's where I was. So I just found a quick little base for me to do my hair real quick. And I kind of got this from Just the Dragoness. She changed her name, but you can still find her under that. But she kind of had this crochet base, and so I kind of like teamed off of that, and I just brought a different look with it. And so I wouldn't recommend doing this all the time, but if you have somewhere to go and you don't want to be all day on your hair, this will not take long. This probably will take about an hour to an hour and 30 minutes. That's it. That's all, sis. And you're done. Or bruh, your girl will be done in an hour and 30 minutes and y'all good to go. But now I'm going to show you how I'm going to fill in the front. So let's get into that. So when I started in the front, I did start to fluff the hair and separate it. I'll say not fluff the hair. I started to separate the hair because I wanted a more voluminous look, and I wanted to kind of get away from all the definition that is pretty much in the back. I didn't want my hair to be a full uniform curl. So that's why I started to separate the hair. And I think it just made the hairstyle look more realistic, if you ask me, because our hair has frizz anyway. And so by me mimicking my hair texture with this hair really did look like it was mine. Definitely, since I added all the parts. I'm basically just doing a basic crochet. I'm just inserting the crochet needle, attaching the hair, closing the latch, pulling it through. And when I started to get up to the front, I did start the invisible method, but I did not do that the whole entire time while I was in the front of my head. Some of them I did double loop. And after I got done looping them, I did start to trim the hair as well. I trimmed it as I went. I didn't want to wait till the end to trim my hair, so I just trimmed it as I installed it. And honestly, I felt like I came out with better layers. Now, this may not work for you, but this is how I decided to do it. But I'm curious to know, do you have days where you don't want to spend all day on your hair as well? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys finish watching me fill in the rest of the front. And I'm gonna stop talking now, and I will be back once we have completed everything. And here we are. Both sides are completed. Yeah. Look at that back though. Look at that back. There is no bun in sight, y'all. I'm loving how I can just be universal with this hairstyle. Super dope. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Subscribe if you have not already. Join the family because it's heating up in here and you ain't trying to miss this next video. I'm trying to tell you. So, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna catch you on the next video.